what's up? Merry Christmas,
everyone! Okay, so today we are in Sanur. We have a breakfast, and then here I'm with my very old friend Didi. So yeah, this is how is Merry Christmas. I mean, like, we would like to say Merry Christmas to all of you. And
Merry Christmas! Enjoy and have a time with your family and the closest friends.
it's like morning breakfast, and we order this one. They said this is the best
Tuna salad,
salad.
something sharing for breakfast.
Oh, ooh, looks so yum.
Smacznego! That's the Mount Agung, Christmas morning on Sanur beach. Obviously my favorite places, so why not to celebrate morning Christmas? This is all on the beach. Also, many of you like this place, we're enjoying. Hello! And some people also around. Love Bali, I'm never coming home. Well, that's happened to me actually. Never come back home. Actually, I made this Bali as my second home, so that's how it is. Oh, guys, Merry Christmas. We decide to spend the rest of our Christmas in Andas, Sanur. We got the vouchers from the lovely lady from Australia, Laureen. Thank you so much for the day pass in Andas already like 2 months ago or something, but we just keep it for special occasion, which is Christmas, so we're gonna just have a lazy day. And yeah, we wish you
Merry Christmas, Happy Christmas, and then yeah, we would like to say thank you to all our viewers, for those who celebrate Christmas, and Happy New Year for you. And then at this occasion, we also would like to share all of the videos that you already sent it to us. So the compilation of all videos about Christmas all around the world. But first of all, we would like to say thank you, Dziękuję, Mama in Poland and Papa Poland already sent us Christmas card.
Unfortunately, we cannot go to Poland in this year because of the, you know what, the current situation. Last year the same. I'm not sure how about the next year. Hopefully, right?
Yeah, I would like to share what Mama sent to us, and we would like to say we are so sorry that we couldn't come to Poland. Okay, I would like to say Weszolishwan. I'm so sorry if I misspell it in Polish. Polish language is so difficult. And Mama, thank you so much. Dziękujemy. And I would like to read it for you. Kochanie, spokojnie I radośnie. Sriot Bozego, Novozenia.
Keep going,
and
it's okay.
So difficult. Urosheshlego, Norwego, Roku 2022. Okay, maybe Damian later on can put translation here for those who don't speak English, speak Polish. Polish language is so difficult. What is it called? Love, Mama I Tata. Dziękujemy, Mama. Weszolishwa. For those Polish people who celebrate, especially Mama, Papa, brothers and sisters in Poland, thank you so much. We wish you Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. We wish a prosperous year ahead. And now we would like to show you the compilation of all the videos around the world regarding to Christmas celebration. Please enjoy the videos and Merry Christmas!
Ho, ho, ho! Yo, what's up?
Merry Christmas! Happy holidays!
I want to wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas, Damien, Winnie and the Monkey Pack. Merry Christmas to everybody.
Merry Christmas.
Hope you're all doing well.
Monkey Pack.
Looking forward to a much better year in 2022. See you all. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Damien and Winnie.
Selamat Hari Natal from Lambudega in South Jakarta. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Karin. I am from Medan, North Sumatra. I want to wish you all a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to Mr. Damian, Mrs. Winnie, and to all the monkeys viewers. I hope at 2022 the pandemic will be over as faster as possible. Bye bye all. Stay safe, stay healthy, and God bless you.
Hello Damien and Winnie. I wish you a happy Christmas and a happy New Year from Holland, Alkmaar. I'm Rob.
And I am Birgit. We wish you all the best for the new year.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
This is our Christmas tree. We collect different little critters every year and Santas. Anyway, we always put up our Christmas tree on the 1st of December. And even though my sons are 21 and 25 now, they still love putting it up with me. And my youngest is 15 and she loves it too. And it's a fun time for the family. There you go. That's a little bit about our Christmas.
Hello, Merry Christmas to the monkeys and all the viewers. This is Mariners Cove, Mandurah, Western Australia. And this is our local walking spot, about a minute from our house. And I hope everybody's going to have a great Christmas and that 2021 will be a much better year.
Merry Christmas, Damian and Winnie. This is a quick video from Lindy and Lee. We've been living in Sanur now for 5 months, so we've moved from Australia, so this Christmas will be a very different one to Christmas in Australia. This is some of our garden. Coming inside very quickly, and I'll just show you the little bit of Christmas decorations we have. Little tree, some Christmas ducks. Balinese love their wooden ducks, and another duck, and there's our tree. It's a little tree. We have a very quiet Christmas this year. We're spending it with some lovely neighbours, lots of video calls to friends and family in Australia. Christmas in Bali, Bali style. Thanks Damian and Winnie, I love you, see ya.
Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new, 'cause I missed you so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree, and I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you.
Christmas, Bali.
Hang by the fire and chill.